With frequent travels and long working hours, I found it extremely difficult to manage a career as a consultant and my role as a mother.
Bringing up my girl properly is important to me, but my work completes me. During late nights immersed in equations, I know my girl is safe and sound.
I always dreamt of starting my own bakery but never thought it would be possible being a mother of two kids. Thanks to Dada, all my child's developmental needs are taken care of and I don't have to worry during my work.
Dada is a specialized multi-service platform for connecting parents with verified and vetted caregivers. From simple daycares to customized subject tuitions, dance and music workshops, our partners provide everything. Availing our service is super easy. Log in to Dada and choose your role as a caregiver or a care seeker. Our algorithm will show you nearby caregivers from which you can shortlist, compare and select. You can opt for daycare service at your place as well as at our registered care centers.
Let your child fly, discover and conquer while you thrive and prosper in your profession.